All right, so we're going to work on some problems. They're going to be on the upcoming Introduction to Multiplication and Division. So these are going to be straight standard multiplication division. They come in word problems, so they're going to be a little more difficult than what I'm showing you here, because there's going to be reading involved and understanding the text. But here's the main operation that you're going to do, which is the multiplication and division. So if you have a situation where you have 7,000 times 200, what you're going to do is quick enough is to go 7 times 2 is 14, and then count the zeros and add the zeros. Take them out and put them back in as my students know. So I have 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 zeros. So it would be 140,000. So that's the simplest way of doing it. Take them out, plug them back in. Knowing that multiplication is going to be the most difficult thing. But I mean, it's not as hard as it would appear. So even if I have the number 1,200 or 1,200 times 200, I take out the zeros. I go 12 times 2, or 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. Add the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 240,000. So that's the multiplication aspect of it. Division, a little more tricky. Division is a little more. So if I had an issue like it might be a word problem that has to come down to, um, let's see, 3,600 divided by, say, 60. What is that? Okay. So basically, you got to rewrite it. So 60 times something is 3,600. Okay. Kind of do the same thing we did before, taking out the zeros. So you take out as many zeros as you can. So it'll go into it. Because 6 will go into, it can't go into 3, but it'll go into 36. How many times will it go in there? It'll go in there 6 times. Now the question is here, how many zeros? Okay. So if it was 6, how many zeros do I have? 2 zeros. There's 1 0, so I need one more zero. I'm going to put it here and not here because I can't change that 60. So I put it there. I need 2 zeros like I did before. Have to have the zeros. Okay, so it would be 60. Now 6 times 6 is 36, and it has the 2 zeros. One there, one there. So that's the division part of it. This is just a simple division introduction to division that we're doing now. Test is coming up soon. I believe it's this week sometimes, but exactly when I got to see. All right, let's go with um, 1,500, 1,500 divided by 50. What is it? Okay, so 50 times something is 1,500. Okay, kind of take out my zeros. It's as low as I can go because 5 won't go into 1. So it's got to be that number there. So 5 goes into 15 3 times. How many zeros do I have? I got 1 here. There's 2. So I'm going to have one more zero. Let's see if that works out. 5 times 3, 3 times 5 is 15. And 2 zeros. That's correct. So, like I said, these are simplified a little bit because they don't have word problems brought up for you, but this is the main issue. Once you have the numbers, it's as simple as plugging them in. I hope this helps you a little bit. Thank you very much. Bye bye.